lens is kind of dirty. Yeah, that's good. So hi guys, it's been around 5 months since the last vlog for this vlog series. Let me backtrack. Okay, 5 months ago I made a vlog about Adelaide because we went to Kangaroo Island and went around all over Adelaide. Thing is, I didn't finish that vlog because I got lazy and yeah, didn't have time to finish it. But anyway, I'm gonna finish that vlog as soon as possible. This is the day 4, I reckon. Yeah, I think this is day 4. So we just finished going to Kangaroo Island. We're heading up to Adelaide. We stayed there for 1 night, and then yeah, we're going down to Yorke Peninsula. We're gonna try to go to a national park there, check out the beaches and everything else. So this is what the vlog's gonna be. So just check it out, and yeah, a bit delayed, but I'm trying to get it done. For those of you who hasn't started this vlog series, you can just check out the link somewhere below. I'm gonna put a link, but just check it out, and you can start from day 1 and just check how it goes. But yeah, this is day 4. Be a 3-part series or 4-part, I don't know. I haven't finished editing it, but just check it out. Yeah. Looking at the hotel now, heading to Yorke Peninsula. Yeah. Good morning. Muscles legs fastened to it. Yep. The Yorke Peninsula, and we just passed by here. The scenic drive. We're just gonna try to check it out first and then see how it goes, and then we're gonna go to the national park. Yeah. So we arrived here at Marion Bay, and yeah, this is one of the waters of Marion Bay. The thing is, we're gonna switch to the camera, the other lens, because this lens is awesome, but I don't have an ND filter, so it's gonna look crappy with a jittery, high frame rate, high shutter speed, whatever. Anyway, yeah, we're just here at Marion Bay, and we're heading to Innes National Park, which I am very pumped up. I'm gonna tell you the details because we did some things right today. On second thought, I really like the footage of this video because the thing is, it's really nice. It's shallow depth of field, but yeah, I just need the ND filter for a good. Anyway, I see this couple here, and they have dogs. I want to have dogs too. They're in the beach. You check them out. Look at the dogs. They're playing in the water. And I need to go to the car because we need to move on. I'm gonna change lens. I have to. Anyway, yeah. And for park fees, let's go. So we just book our parking fees. We could have done it online at home, but I didn't know. So
at home?
Yeah, wherever. We have a daily home, you know. Anyway, yeah, let's go. See a lot of RAV4s here. Okay. First stop, beach, I don't know. Tip, I don't know. Just want to get a video up here. But yeah, it's just water, beach, reef, and nothing else. There's a jetty somewhere there, so let's go there. Yeah.
Did you pay your
Yeah.
fees? Oh.
Beach. So, Little Emu Beach. Yeah, that part is Emu Beach. Yeah, it's good. It's just a lot of weeds lately. Because in the bad weather, the storms, so it brought the weeds up here. Yeah, I think so. You will be greeted by those. You can't see it, but the rock formations, they're islands. The beach is really, the water is really blue and it's nice, and there's a bit of sandbar there. But we're gonna go there because I have no idea what we're gonna expect. Let's go back to the red car. There you go. Look at the ground. It's like, I don't know what it is. the lighthouse, and on this side here, yeah, it's a nice view. And on that side there, also a nice view. I just don't know the names, but yeah. So check out those rock formations. It's kind of windy now, but check those out. It's really cool. I don't know if I filmed it right because can't see clearly on the monitor, but yeah. So some rocks down there, but that really caught my attention. Really, I can't explain. I'm just a tourist. Like, yeah, but that looks good. That looks great. So I went back to 24mm because it's really nice. I really like 24mm, even though it's a bit crop. I'm not bringing the zoom lens right now. No, enough jargon. Look at that place there. Look at that place there. That's really cool, right? That's so nice. And that place over there looks cool. Hey, it's good. Okay. Let's go to the lighthouse. That's the lighthouse behind me. So let's check it out. Underneath the lighthouse, and I think you can still go down. There's still a pathway going down, but you have to be careful because these are loose sand, and big waves might kill you. So we don't want that to happen, right? Yeah. So yeah, that's all up there. Yeah. So that was the Cape Spencer Lighthouse. There, no parking. Cape Spencer Lighthouse. Okay, back to the car. Yeah, so Ethel's Wreck is there. Some surfers over there. And some beachgoers over there. So, yep. Sorry about the wind, but look at those waves. Yep, look at those waves. Again, that's Ethel's Wreck. That's a boat. Those are just holiday goers and some surfers over there. Salt Lake there. Yep. Right now I'm in the West Cape, and yeah, it's a nice view here. You can see a 360. Oh, there. Wait, Laura. There's a. Wait a minute. So yeah, this is the west side, westward cape. I don't know. You can see a 360 view of the place here, especially if you go to that lighthouse. So yeah, that there. I don't know the name. The name's somewhere there. I didn't research on the name, but yeah, that looked good. Look at the rocks and everything and information. There's a cove down there, and if you go this part here, you can see a good stretch of sandy beach, and there's a lot of surfers on the other side there. That part there is a lighthouse, so I'm gonna show it to you. Hold on. Islands over there, and then if you look there, the lighthouse is there, and you turn around, there's a good stretch of beach. That's a parking lot over there, so that's a good stretch of beach. You can take a dip, sunbathe, everything else. Yeah, it's nice. I'll try to go to the lighthouse now, 100 meters. We'll see how it goes. Up to that lighthouse. Yeah, I'm a bit surprised with this trip because we got up late as usual because we were tired yesterday, and yeah, we're on our way here late. We're supposed to leave here. We're supposed to leave Adelaide at around 8:30, but we left around 9. And we travel here 2 hours, so I was thinking it's gonna be tiring and everything else. And also we're planning to go to Remarkable's Mount Remarkable. Yeah, I think that was Mount Remarkable. Sorry about the jitter because I'm just walking, trying to get there. Yeah, we're supposed to go to Mount Remarkable, but I think I recognize the time's not good because we don't have a lot of time. So we decided to go here at Instant National Park, and this is within the Yorke Peninsula. So Laura just wanted to come here because she saw some photos, and when I look at the photos, I want to be here also. So I try to check the place out. It's good. It's nice. Once you enter, you can just log in, pay the park fees, or you can do it online before you come. They just need your car's rego, and just pay $10. That's it, easy. So yeah, Laura's back in the car because the weather now is coming kind of a bit warm. So yeah, and as for me, I usually go out even though it's warm. I don't really care because I'm in for the adventure. And yeah, oh, hold on, that's a good spot for photos. I'm gonna pause first. Yeah, I just had to pause because I saw the rock break lighthouse frame that way, trying to get the curve and then take a shot because yeah, looks good. Framing is good, but I need somebody to stand there. I can stand there, but nah, too many movements. Oh, in fact, I can do that now. Let's do it now. Yeah. The tip of this lighthouse now, and that's what's underneath. Some rocks and those formations there. I think it's so dark. Let me just try to brighten it up. Yeah, those formations over there, they're really cool, like rocks coming, like something's broke up from there or something. Don't talk to me when I regards to explaining things like these, but yeah, look at those. They look cool. They're nice. They're rocks, and over there, the very tip, there's some sand dunes. Yeah, sand dunes. Okay, I have a feeling this vlog for today will be a two-part vlog. Well, we'll see. Yeah. So that's the end of part 1 of day 4. So we're gonna go to the next location. So that'll be part 2. Check it out in the next episode. Yeah. Also, if you like this episode, if you like the vlog, like button down there, and you can subscribe and check.